President has ordered that all government buildings reduce energy levels 30% by the year 2015. As America's largest real estate agency, the General Services Administration is under pressure from this and other initiatives to show tangible results in building efficiency. To start, the GSA is focused on buildings it owns which use the most energy and adding technology to make them smarter. But technology alone won't do it. The GSA realizes that the smartest part of smart buildings is people and wants to engage them. Providing feedback and information through a dashboard is a good start. With smart technology, we can learn anything we want about a building and optimize its performance. But real performance means happier, more productive tenants, and that requires insights into the hearts and minds of the people inside. What a dashboard can really do is enable better decisions, inspire participation, spread knowledge and best practices, communicate at a human scale, and propagate new norms in how we use our buildings. With a dashboard that manages GSA properties, not as machines, but as ecosystems, we can move the conversation around energy efficiency from staying within the rules to achieving new goals. Goals we can all get behind, like healthy work environments, energy security, fighting climate change, creating green jobs, and saving taxpayer money. High-performance green buildings play a significant role in our country's future. Let's not wait for the future to arrive, but create it by considering buildings, technology, and people. Many people already have strong values around efficiency and are looking for ways to express those values at work. A dashboard that communicates information on a human scale can turn efficiency into a personal act. Smart technology may reveal a lot about a building, but to help occupants use their building better, we need to transform a wealth of technical measures into terms people easily understand. Let's create those meaningful metrics and invite occupants to engage, whether they are in public spaces or at their desk. Changes at a system scale start by communicating at a human scale. The GSA is creating the Sustainability Support Center, a centralized hub of energy data from government buildings across the nation. The mission of the SSC is to meet national energy goals by promoting consistent, green practices across the GSA. But consistency needs to be balanced with flexibility to be effective. Regions and buildings have their own needs, and tenant agencies have their own way of doing things. So, the real challenge is enabling regions to make shared goals relevant to individual properties. A dashboard can measure progress toward goals, yet give latitude to stakeholders to find their own way to energy efficiency. At the national level, the GSA can harness new ideas, identify emerging standards, and seed changes that will make high-performance green buildings the new norm. Property managers have hundreds of decisions to make every day, and many stakeholders to consider. And when the unexpected happens, it's hard to keep everyone happy. Dashboards can enable easier, better, and more impactful decisions. Building efficiency is important, but what managers care about most is tenant satisfaction. What if a dashboard could monitor the happiness of building occupants, like it monitors energy? Managers could confidently implement practices that meet energy goals, make tenants happy, and increase the true performance of their building. It's no longer about data. It's about what people do with data that matters. Tenant agencies have the same efficiency mandate as the GSA, but they also have different, sometimes conflicting priorities. Tenant participation is key, and a dashboard can inspire participation by aligning goals and enabling new dialogue. With the right information, rules can be turned into invitations, and working with the tenants, the GSA can identify new opportunities, share best practices, reward successful programs, and extend success to other areas. As partners in performance, the GSA and tenants can create a workplace that is both high performance and green. Regional executives see patterns in their building portfolio and know which programs are working. But each building has its own personality, making good ideas slow to spread. What if a dashboard did more than display data, but accelerated the exchange of successful programs? Tenants and property managers could adapt existing programs to their building or contribute their own. They can learn from each other, freeing regional staff to cultivate best practices, encourage more experiments, and foster collaboration. As a platform for the exchange of ideas, a dashboard can surface good ideas faster and allow everyone to achieve goals for 2015 and beyond.